Hello guys, welcome to Joomla Training and my name is Murli and this tutorial is about how to install or how to set up Joomla on your system. To install Joomla, first you have to download Joomla files or you can say Joomla libraries from the Joomla website. Joomla is basically a content management system where you can manage your content of the website, like you can create new pages, you can change the colors and you can add new pages. So everything controlled by an editor, and you can upload galleries, you can upload images, so many things. You can create blogs, you can create news feeds, etc. Everything driven by content management system. So content management system is nothing but you can manage your content through some built-in editors. Okay, so we'll go through all these topics later on one by one. So first we'll see today how to install Joomla, right? So to install Joomla, first go to Joomla website. So go to Google, type Joomla download and it will go to Joomla website, or type www.joomla.org in your browser. This is the official website of a Joomla, and here you can see download link. Click the download link, and in the next page you can see one more link, or download Joomla 3.3, which is the latest version at moment. So click here and it will start downloading. I just now downloaded to my downloads folder. So it's there in computer downloads. In the downloads, just now I have downloaded is a zip file, Joomla 3.3.3 stable full package. So right click and extract to a folder. So I have extracted here. So these are all Joomla files provided by joomla.org, right? So this is the first step. So first step, go to Joomla website, download the Joomla files. Okay, right. So next, make sure you have WAMP or XAMPP server on your system, or if you are using Apache and Linux operating system, Windows operating system separately, so then you have to configure your websites there. So that's a different make, but to make it simple, so WAMP and XAMPP servers are very easy to set up your PHP programming or whatever, Joomla, Drupal, WordPress, etc. Right, so make sure you have WAMP or XAMPP server on your system. So if you don't have, watch my other video how to install WAMP or XAMPP server. Okay, so in this system I have already installed XAMPP server. So that's this one. So double click this server and it will open like this. And here I have started my Apache, I have started my MySQL databases as well. Right, so I have XAMPP in my system, and I will go and type here http colon localhost, and in my system I have changed the port number 80 to 81, so don't confuse here. So localhost colon 81, if you type it, it will open a XAMPP like this. And in the XAMPP, this is the startup page of XAMPP, and here you have php myadmin. Click on that and it will open your MySQL database here. Okay, so you have XAMPP and you clicked on localhost, and now here you have to install a database for your Joomla installation. Okay, so we will see later. Right, so now I want to take all these Joomla files which we extracted from the Joomla zip folder. So I'm copying all the files and I will go to my C drive where my XAMPP is installed. Maybe you already know about XAMPP server and where you have to create the websites. So click that. In the XAMPP folder, you have one folder called htdocs. Click that, and in the htdocs, you have to create a new folder for Joomla. So I can say one folder called mk Joomla. Right, so I created a folder here, mk Joomla, and I will paste all the files which I copied from the Joomla package. right? This is done. So now the next step is you have to create one database in the MySQL PHP myadmin with a name of mk-joomla. I'm using the same name. If you want to use different name, you can use the different name. So I go to MySQL PHP myadmin, and here I will create mk Joomla database like this. You can see left hand side, mk Joomla is a database, right? Now, so let's go now install. How to install? This is my example for Windows, right? So here we will type mk Joomla, and it will go to this Joomla setup page. Okay, if you don't get this page, so you cannot go further and you cannot install your Joomla. Okay, you should see this startup page must. Okay, so if you didn't see this page, somewhere problem with your installations, or somewhere you extracting the files or etc. Right, so this is the page, and here select the language, give the site name. So I can give site name is some my Joomla. So description, if you want to give some description here, and admin email, I will write admin at test.com, and admin username I give as a admin, password I give as admin, confirm password I give as admin, and site offline, set the site front end offline when installation because the site can be set online later through the global configuration file. Yes. So click next. So here you have to select the database configurations. So database type is MySQL or MySQLE. So this is probably MySQLE they are saying. Okay, so host name is localhost, username is root, password is empty. So if you have given, you have set up any separate username password for my PHP myadmin in your system, so give that database username and password here. So database name you have to give which you created just now. You have to give the same name which you created now, mk Joomla, and click next. Right, so here you have a couple of things: finalization, blog English, etc. Stamping, just leave it this. So send configuration settings to admin test.com by email after installation. So it's by default, we'll say no. And site offline is, you have some couple of things you can do this later. So time being you have to see all the pre-installation check, yes, everything, so that's fine. And recommended settings you have, just go through this one by one, and now click on install. It will take few moments. Congratulations, Joomla is now installed on your system. And please remember to completely remove the installation folder. Okay, so you can see here some note. Please remember to completely remove the installation folder. You will not be able to proceed beyond this point until the installation directory has been removed. This is a security failure of Joomla. Okay, so you can remove the installation folder manually as well here. Example htdocs, and here you have mk Joomla, and here you have installation folder. You can remove him from here as well manually, or you can go through from here. Okay, installation folder successfully removed, and go and watch there again. C drive, XAMPP, htdocs, mk Joomla. See, now you cannot see the installation folder, which is deleted by our settings. So that's fine. So now you have two links here, one is site and one is administrator. So click the administrator. So this is your Joomla administrator. So admin login. Okay, so this is the Joomla dashboard, where you can create menus, where you can create new articles, new pages and templates. You have so many features. Okay, we'll go through all one by one later. And I'm coming out from my admin now. So Joomla is successfully installed, and this is the admin link to log in for Joomla. So localhost mk-joomla, that is a folder name where I want to publish my Joomla website. Administrator slash index. Now if you want to see front end of your website, so this is your Joomla website. This out is down for mine, please check back again soon. So you can click admin. Okay, so this is your Joomla page, right? So I logged in as a user, so you can log out from here. So we have given some username password to enter the website, so you can remove later for this. Okay, so thanks for watching the video. This is the Joomla installation to your local host.